Guys, I have finally found Doraemon's favorite Dora cakes, and the best part is, I'm gonna be trying it today for the first time ever. But more on that later. The highlight of today is that I'm leaving Tokyo. But then, where am I headed to next? ये जानने के लिए, keep on watching the video. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me, Prashu. So this weekend's itinerary involves exploring a new city and showing you all a different side to Japan's vibrant personality. And we will be heading south of Tokyo towards a seaside town called Kamakura, which is located in the Kanagawa prefecture at the coasts of Sagami Bay. And here we will be visiting the Kotokoin temple. So we'll be starting off by boarding our first train at the Shimo Maruko station to Kamata station as usual. Then the second train from the Kamata station under the Keihin Tohoku line, which will leave us at our next stop, Yokohama station. From there, we will be boarding our third train covered by the Yokosuka line, which will finally leave us at our final destination for the day, that is Kamakura station. I guess the total transit time would be near about an hour or so. So yeah, let's go. But wait, here's a quick reminder. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any upcoming videos from me. Hey everyone, good morning, and today we are going to go to Kamakura to look at that Daibutsu. It's very famous, and weather today is cloudy. I think it's going to rain.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up.
Just cross the road right now.
Stay a minute.
We are entering into a Family Mart. So this is Family Mart, the famous chain of convenience stores that you can find on just about every corner in Japan. The best thing of all about the Family Mart store is that you can find plethora of Japanese food options here at budget-friendly prices, offering freshly made delicious food for almost any time of the day. Also, there's this famous Family Mart jingle playing in the background that you're not gonna find anywhere in the world except in Japan, and to which you're most likely to get addicted. दोपहर के 12 बज चुके हैं. But I haven't had my breakfast yet, so I'm looking out to buy some nutritious food that would keep me going all throughout the day, which means no junk. I'm going to take a sandwich, wrap steak. तो अभी चलो हम खाने चलते हैं. There's usually a designated eating area provided here where you are allowed to have a seat and eat your food, just like these guys here. Instead of buying that egg sandwich, I bought this pack of bananas. Back in India, I'd only known about Del Monte's tomato ketchup. This is for the first time ever I've come across this brand selling bananas. Anyway, coming back to the cost, 5 bananas for 258 yen. Just getting ready for the first meal of the day. So for the starters, I'm having a banana. Moving on to this wrap stick, it's basically a tortilla stuffed with plenty of salad. I bought it for 268 yen including taxes, and check out the ingredients. Look, it has got green and purple cabbage, carrots, potatoes and lettuce, all wrapped up in tortilla dough with green tea. It's actually pretty good. The soft tortillas taste delicious with the texture of crispy veggies, and you know what? I can actually taste the subtle flavor of sesame mayo sauce, which is the best part about this wrap. So finally, I'm gonna have this Dora cake. It costed me around 300 yen. As you can see, the maple syrup is sandwiched between two fluffy pancakes. It has a delicious subtle flavor without overbearing sweetness, which is why I love it. Hey everyone, so मैंने ट्रेन मिस कर दी है अपनी. ये मैं शिमा मारुको स्टेशन के आगे खड़ी हूँ, तो अभी टाइम पास करना पड़ेगा, इसीलिए मैं इस स्टोर में जा रही हूँ, किचन ओरिजिन. So Kitchen Origin basically is a takeout only bento shop. It's not a convenience store, not like 7-Eleven or Family Mart.
अंदर सब नॉनवेज ही दिख रहा है
And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give.
So as you can see, they offer a lot of salad choices which is sold by weight. And here you can see all the already prepared bentos and side dishes which are sold by weight too. The food here looks pretty tempting, but I'm not gonna buy anything from here as I already had my breakfast. But this is highly recommended. The food here is cheap, and the best part about Kitchen Origin is that it never closes. Yes, it is open for 24 hours. And right before boarding my train, I came across this site.
It's you and me on this beautiful day.
Look at that lucky fluff ball having the time of his life.
I guess the heart's kinda light.
Looks like
And it
he
feels so
totally owns the place.
like love has gotten to me.
Guys, if you're here in Japan and choose to travel by train, which you will inevitably, you'll notice how incredibly quiet and organized the train journeys are. So as a foreigner who doesn't live here, it's important to know what's socially acceptable and what isn't. You ought to follow the Japan train etiquettes. Trust me, it'll make your journey more comfortable and also for others. So rule number 1, please remain quiet, or better be silent, because being loud here or talking on your phone is considered to be extremely rude here. So put your phone down or put it on the silent mode. Plug in your headphones if you wish to hear the music, and only speak in low voices.
तो भी वेरी क्वाइट क्योंकि हर कोई यहाँ पे बहुत क्वाइटली खड़ा हुआ है, बैठा हुआ है, तो मुझे जगह नहीं मिली तो मैं खड़ी हूँ।
The next station is Kawasaki. The doors on the right side will open. Please change your course to Tokaido Line and the Nambu Line.
So I have just reached the Yokohama station. Now I'm searching the Yokosuka line. So rule number 2, did you notice these yellow line raised bump running along the subway station platforms or bus stops or even the sidewalk? Actually, these bumps are there to help the visually impaired people. But the rule is never cross that line and always stand at a safe distance from the edge. And these numbers here indicate the train car number. So we have boarded another train now and we are heading towards the Kamakura station. Look at that! Isn't it something floating? It's probably a bicycle. By the way, we are crossing the Surumi river. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, एक thumbs up तो बनता है. Also subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time in Kamakura. Mata ne!
तो अंदर जा रहे हैं, इसमें आप देखेंगे द ग्रेट बुद्धा। पता नहीं जाएगा कि नहीं। ओह माय गॉड, ये तो काफी